Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a slightly complicated artwork to do. It's always black, it's always the black ones that are complicated. But today we're just gonna start with the first artwork, and then for the second video I'll have the second artwork of me trying to do it over over again. But it has been a minute. How are you doing? How are you doing? I want to say I apologize. I apologize for staying away so long. I do have another channel that I am working on as well, that's more my gym and my lifestyle, but I'm keeping this channel for art because I really love it and I want to just get better and better and better, and I want to share it with you because you guys are my loves and you have been supporting me on this journey. So let's get into it. So today's artwork will be on a lettuce size canvas, so that's 8 by 11 inches. It's quite small, but it was a good size to do some pouring. The only thing I realized is that my consistencies were off. Some of the colors were too watery and others were too thick. But working with black is always a challenge. It's always a challenge. I'll link one of my videos that, boy, it was a lot of work, but it ended up being a very beautiful piece. This one was also beautiful, but it wasn't a Dutch pour. I ended up doing just moving around the canvas to let the colors flow. So I'm here just taping up the back so that I don't have a lot of spillage on the back and I don't have to be painting over the back every minute. And then I'll be showing the colors, which entails yellow, white, black, I think a little bit of green, and which other color? Another color. You will see. So let's get into it. So this is where I realized that my white was too watery, and then I added the red that was watery as well, and it just kept on going downhill. But I ended up redeeming myself at the end when I started moving the canvas around and something beautiful started to form. So let's get into it. If you look at the top left corner, you will see you will see the red starting to flow through everything. Just start flowing. And this is where I was like, this is no longer a Dutch pour. I'm gonna have to Dutch pour is when you use the blow dryer. And I was like, well, I'm gonna have to see if I can center it, and centering it did not work. See, did not work. So I had to just keep moving and letting it flow until I got some form of pattern and some form of like stability with the colors. So hello, artwork is artwork, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. All right, let's get back to it. So we have come to the end of this video. I'm just putting in some swirls to give it a little dimension. And as always, bless, and I'll see you in the next one when we try to redeem ourselves. Bye.